Okay, this 18 gallons water pump is leaking. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you a quick way on doing it. So remove the two 16s here. You got one and one on the other side, 16 millimeter, and then you got a 13 millimeter here. Okay, remove that, but don't remove the 18s here. Okay, this thing stays here. So just do what I'm telling you. Remove the 16s, 1 and 2, and 3 is the 13 here. Okay, leave everything the same way. Okay, those 18s you don't touch. Okay, don't touch those. Okay, let's remove the wheel, bottom shield, and the wheel well for the right side. Okay, now let's go ahead and loosen these 3 bolts here. Those are 6 millimeter Allen. Loosen them up, but don't take them off yet. And then let's push this tensioner here up or toward the front of the car and remove the belt. Okay, and then come back and finish removing the water pump pulley, which is this one right here. Okay, you want to replace the belt since antifreeze is been leaking on it. Okay, put a new belt. Okay, now that we got the water pump pulley off, let's remove these 3 bolts with a 6 millimeter triple square. Okay, this guy is right here. Okay, there's 3 of them. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's take them all off. Yeah, and let's not forget the little vacuum hose on the top. Okay, just reach over and remove the vacuum hose coming off the water pump. Okay, now we just gotta pry it here, and all the coolant gonna come out. That's why you need something to collect the coolant. And then I'm gonna show you, because the firewall here will not let me remove the pump completely out. It won't clear the firewall. So I'm gonna show you a trick on the next segment. Okay, notice how I don't touch the tranny mount here. I don't touch it. Remove the idle pulley here. Okay, and then you get the pulley off here. This is a new one already in there. Remove the pulley and then you remove the water pump. Okay, it comes down from here. These gotta come off. Okay, get this off. Okay, stick a pry bar, big pry bar, and then another smaller one underneath it, just like that. And the pump should slide right out from here once you remove the idle pulley here with the 16 millimeter. The 16 millimeter bolt here, remove it. See that? Okay. Okay, once the belt is on, serpentine belt is on, go ahead and torque the water pump pulley to 20 millimeters. And then go ahead and install everything else in reverse order. So whatever you did last goes first. So in this case, it will be the wheel well, then the bottom shield, and then you're gonna put the wheel. And now it's time to properly fill up the system. Once you open the coolant system, this is the way you want to fill up the system. Okay, so to prevent any air pockets from staying in the system and creating any fault codes for the dry pump, for the electric pump running dry. Okay, so you got to leave the front of the vehicle like 45 degrees. Okay, in this case I'm using a vacuum filler like this. Okay, in the event you don't have the vacuum filler, you can still fill it up manually, just slowly. Okay, until you see no air pockets. Okay, but I recommend you to use the tool. Okay, and like every repair, engine repair, you must drive the car. So I did 4 or 5 miles, and I'm gonna double check for fault codes. Row 1, engine electronics, and then you got a fault codes or 2 right here, and that's always a good sign. That means everything was fine. There's no air pockets, nothing in the cooling system, and everything is fine. Okay, guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.